Hey guys, haven't seen a good video of the FMF 4.1 on a Crf450, like 21 plus, the newest model. So I got a 4.1 stainless carbon tip muffler. I don't have the full system. I'm gonna give you a comparison to the stock exhaust versus the FMF muffler, and yeah, pretty straightforward video. I'm gonna start the bike up. It's warmed up. I'll rev it a few times and I'll switch the exhaust, start it back up, and do back-to-back comparison. I'll do like some small revs and then a couple of revs that are a little higher, and then I'll hit the limiter once or twice. And yeah, hope this helps somebody decide on what exhaust to get for their 22 CRF 450, 21, 22, 23. I don't know what it's going to do to the power curve. Reading Crf450 tested said that the 4.1 kind of smooths it out and makes it a little bit more rideable or trackable, but I guess we'll see what happens when I ride it for the first time. All right, I can't actually believe how easy that was, but here's a look at the exhaust with the panel off. It's a 10 millimeter here and here. The stock pipe's got a clamp with a 10 millimeter, and it's an 8 millimeter to pull the side panel off. Sorry, mailman showed up with more parts. Anyways, that's what it looks like. The stock pipe, let's see if I can do it with shadow. The stock muffler's got a clamp right here where the flange meets. This one does not, but it's got it's really hard to see. There's a spring thing there. I assume if you get the full system, it's got a spring that holds the two pipes together. Fits really well, fits really good over the stock head pipe. And like I was saying, it's just 10 millimeter, and then one 8 millimeter that holds the side panel on. And it took me about 3 seconds. I thought it was gonna be a 12, but it's not. So let me wipe my dirty fingerprints off of this and we'll fire it up, see what it sounds like. I'm gonna do it with the core in, just because I like how quiet these bikes are. I'll just leave the core in. I have no intention of ever taking it out. So if enough people comment on this video and request for me to take it out to see what it sounds like, I will do so, but I'm not planning on doing it today because I don't honestly even know how it comes out. But if you look in there, there's the spark arresters in there. Can't imagine it's very difficult to take out, but I'm not doing it. So it's that much louder. It sounds good, but it's quite a bit louder. Ooh, I got that new exhaust smell again. See the smoke? A little bit. That hasn't happened since this bike was new. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody. Like I said, it's just the muffler. It's not the full system, but it does make a difference. I'm not sure what it does for the power. I don't know if it makes any difference for the power, but it looks way friggin' cooler. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You got any questions, put them down bottom. I'll answer any of them. If enough people want me to take the spark rest route, I will. I don't know how to take it out, but I'm sure I can figure it out. Thank you guys, and yeah, have a good one.